What are the steps to add GPU to AI app containers? Imagine boosting your AI applications with the power of graphics processing units. If you want your containers to run faster and handle more complex tasks, adding GPU support is the way to go. Let's walk through the steps to make this happen smoothly. First, you need to prepare your host environment. Check if your machine has compatible GPU hardware, like NVIDIA or AMD graphics cards. Then, install the right drivers for your hardware on the operating system. For NVIDIA, that means installing NVIDIA drivers. For AMD drivers. It's also helpful to install GPU runtime libraries such as CUDA for NVIDIA or ROCm for AMD, which are essential for AI workloads. Next, you need container runtime support for GPUs. Use a container engine like Docker and add support with specific toolkits. For NVIDIA GPUs, install the NVIDIA Container Toolkit, which allows Docker to access GPU hardware directly. For AMD, install the AMD Container Toolkit for similar support. After installing these, you must configure your container runtime. For Docker, this involves enabling GPU access by adding the GPU's flag when running containers. For example, to give a container access to all GPUs, run docker run all image name. If you want to limit it to specific GPUs, specify the device number, like GPUs, device is equal to 0. Now, you need to use or build container images that support GPU acceleration. You can start with official NVIDIA CUDA-based images or other images pre-configured with GPU-enabled AI frameworks. Or, if needed, create your own image by installing GPU libraries and AI dependencies inside it. Once your container image is ready, run your AI application with GPU support enabled. Inside the container, verify GPU access by running diagnostic commands like NVIDIA's device query or similar tools for AMD. This step confirms your setup is correct. To keep your system running efficiently, monitor GPU usage with tools like NVIDIA Data Center GPU Manager or Prometheus exporters. This helps you see how much your GPUs are being used and optimize accordingly. If you plan to deploy at scale, consider using orchestration platforms like Kubernetes. Install GPU operators, set up GPU node pools, and configure resource quotas to manage GPU resources across multiple containers or nodes. Following these steps allows you to harness GPU power within your containerized AI apps, making training and inference faster and more efficient. This setup ensures your AI projects can scale easily and run smoothly across different environments, whether on premises or in the cloud.